It has been 8 months, guys, since I started being active online since the pandemic, building an audience, building a brand, growing my website, growing my email list, and all the rest. So today I'm going to share with you my Warriorplus stats, and I hope you will share your thoughts with us in the comment section below in order to improve things and also to provide good quality advice and content for the future viewers of this video. What's up, YouTubers? Amar here, and I started being active on Warriorplus like 8 months ago, since the pandemic, March 2020. So I started promoting some offers and products. I also listed some of my own products, some rebranded PLR products that I worked a little bit. And I must say that I was not doing this like every day, but I put a good amount of work and time in this. So I'm going to show you what I made as an affiliate and what I made as a vendor and the total of this. So this is the daily stats for the vendor, but if I go here to more and then ask for the start date March 2020, let's select March and then March the 1st and then click on go. So as a vendor, I made a total of $581 for 1,589 sales. So most of these sales here are free offers that I listed in order to build my list. Every time someone purchases a free offer from me for $0, his email address will be added to my autoresponder. Well, we made $581 as a vendor. Let's take a look at what I made as an affiliate. So on the main dashboard, I click on the affiliate daily stats and I click more here, and then I start from March 2020, let's say March the 1st, and then go. So the total I made is $270. So $270 plus 581 equals this amount here, $851 in 8 months of activity. Well, I'm using other affiliate networks like ClickBank mainly and Share a Sale, but I can see this like not enough for the amount of work and time that I invest into Warriorplus. But another voice tells me that this is just to start and this will build up for the long term. I'm not sure if this is normal at this point of time in the journey or not, but I'm sure that there are things to improve to get better results. And by the way, if you are more experienced affiliate marketer or just starting out or whatever, it will be very great support if you share your thoughts below in the comments, so anyone that watches this video in the future will find more useful content and advice down in the comments below. I explained in a previous video the method I use to promote a Warriorplus product and how to make money out of them. I use this method called the mini sites or the mini funnels method, where I put something between the offer that I'm promoting and the traffic that I'm generating. And what I'm putting in the middle is a mini funnel that is here to build my list and also promote the offer at the back end. You can refer to that video in the description below. And I also shared some videos where I speak about all my traffic sources, and mainly I publish on my blogs, I publish on Quora and Medium, Facebook groups, I do traffic exchanges as well, and I also use YouTube to generate traffic. So all these traffic methods combined allowed me to generate these results here, $851 and 1,000 email subscribers. Let's take a look at my get response account. This is my list growth for the last 2 months, but if I change this to maximum it will take us to June. So it will take us back to June, and from June 18th to today, it's a list growth of more than 1,000 email subscribers. So for now, I'm just going to keep it going like this, but I seriously consider creating a good product and list it on the Warriorplus marketplace, because so far all the mini funnels that I'm creating and listing on Warriorplus are private. They don't show on the marketplace, but the sales can be made. So guys, if you have any ideas, please drop me a comment. Thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you for giving me your opinion in the comment section, and I will see you on the next video.